One wrong turn. That's all it takes. One wrong turn at a gas station. One heated Instagram live. One post that crosses a line you can't uncross. And suddenly, the world isn't just watching you grow up. It's watching you unravel. King Harris was born into royalty. Not the fairy tale kind, but hip-hop royalty. The son of T.I., the self-proclaimed king of the South, and Tiny, the voice behind one of R&B's most iconic groups, Escape, King entered a world where fame wasn't earned over time, it was inherited. Cameras were present before he could talk. Red carpets replaced playgrounds. Studio sessions echoed louder than bedtime stories. From the outside, it looked like a life dipped in gold. But here's the truth people don't like to admit. Being born into the spotlight doesn't make you untouchable. Sometimes it just makes your mistakes brighter. As King grew older, he made it clear he didn't want to be just another celebrity kid riding a famous last name. He stepped into music under the name Kid Scion, experimenting with trap beats and melodic flows, trying to carve out an identity separate from his father's towering legacy. He dropped projects, appeared on television, built a social media presence that kept him in constant conversation. He was hungry to prove himself. Yet somewhere between proving himself and performing for the world, the lines started to blur. In 2022, a viral Waffle House altercation shifted the narrative. What might have been a private moment of frustration became public spectacle. The video spread like wildfire, and suddenly King wasn't trending for music. He was trending for behavior. His parents defended him, reminding people how hard it is to grow up with a microscope permanently fixed on your face. But the internet had already decided who he was. And King didn't back down. If anything, he leaned in. When he was arrested over what many saw as a minor traffic violation, instead of quietly moving on, he posted his mugshot energy with defiance. To him, it may have felt like resilience. To critics, it felt like glorifying trouble. And that's when T.I. said something that landed heavier than any blog headline. He looked straight into the reality of it and admitted that if his son kept moving with that same reckless energy, prison was a possibility. That wasn't a father exaggerating. That was a man who had already done federal time recognizing the same fire burning in his child. And the deeper people looked, the more complicated it became. It wasn't just a seatbelt ticket. There were reports of speeding, driving on a suspended license, allegations of DUI, even a failure to appear in court that resulted in a warrant. Then came the 2024 arrest in Dunwoody.